everyone, welcome back to Lumyn Arc. This is episode 1.1 of DSA, The Origin Arc, and today we're going to talk about something everyone gets stuck on at first. Which programming language should I use for DSA? Sounds familiar, right? It's one of the most common questions every beginner asks. And guess what? You're not alone. Here's the real deal. You can actually use any programming language that supports object-oriented programming, OOP, for DSA. C++, Java, Python, Go, JavaScript, all work perfectly fine. The language is just your tool. What really matters is how you think while solving problems. But still, if you're new, I know that doesn't help much. So let's talk about the two most popular and beginner-friendly ones, Python and Java. Imagine Python and Java are two friends preparing for a coding challenge. Green is that chill, friendly person who says, "Don't worry, I got you." It's easy to read, simple to write, and you can focus more on logic rather than syntax. That's why many beginners love it. Less typing, fewer brackets, more thinking mindset. But there's a catch. Python sometimes takes things slow. It's not the fastest when you're dealing with super heavy computations. So yeah, simple and kind, but a little relaxed. Now, on the other hand, Java is that serious, reliable friend. You know, the one who organizes everything in folders, labels them, and shows up on time? That's Java. It's structured, fast, and has great performance for large systems. But Java can feel a bit strict sometimes, like, "You forgot a semicolon? I'm not running." Still, Java teaches discipline, and it's loved by big companies for building scalable software. So it's basically, Python is easy and smooth to start with. Java is powerful and built for speed and structure. Here's the simple answer. If you're a beginner, start with Python. It's easy to learn, and you'll focus more on concepts instead of syntax. If you already know Java or love structured code, stick with it. It's amazing for interviews and industry-level coding. And remember, if you're confident in any other language, like JavaScript, TypeScript, or Go, you can absolutely use that too. Because in DSA, the real magic isn't the language, it's the logic. In this series, we'll mostly use Python. But don't worry, we're focusing on the core concepts, not just code. Once you understand how things work, you can apply the same logic in any language you love. So don't overthink the choice, just start, because it's better to begin now than to regret tomorrow. All right, that's it for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching. Next up, we'll dive into arrays and lists in Python, where we'll finally get our hands a little dirty with data, but still, in our storytelling way. Till then, keep learning, keep glowing. This is Lumyn Arc signing off.